test receptor. The sensation of taste depends on the activation of chemoreceptors located in the taste bulb. Here you can see this is the taste bulb and the taste receptor are located in this taste bud. A taste bud consists of a group of 50 to 150 chemoreceptor cells and as well as supporting cell and basal cells. These are the basal cells, these are the chemoreceptor cells, these are the supporting cells, and these are the basal cells. The chemoreceptor cell synapse at their bases with primary afferent neuron. Here you can see that these chemoreceptor cells make a synapse with the afferent nerve fiber. Type of chemoreceptor cells. There are two types of chemoreceptor cell, can be distinguished by difference in their synaptic vesicle content. These are the vesicle and its content. They can differentiate by the content of their vesicle. One type has dense core vesicle, whereas the other has clear round vesicle. In this you can see that the vesicles are dense and the other they are clear and round. The apices of the cell have microvilli that extends towards a test pore. Here you can see that these are the microvilli which extends to a depression which is called the test pore. Lifespan of chemoreceptor cells. Chemoreceptor cells live only about 10 days. They are continually replaced by new chemoreceptor cells that differentiate from the basal cell located near the base of the taste bud. These are the basal cell and these chemoreceptor cells are differentiated basal cells.